The Villa Pergola is a motorized bioclimatic pergola. Aluminum construction with long service life, maximum load up to 60 kilograms, and too easy to build with assembly instructions. Integrated roof gutter, double top blades, white, gray color option.
A solar-powered pavilion is a facility that combines solar power, generation and cooling leisure functions and can be integrated with courtyards, swimming pools, gardens and other occasions. The material of solar pavilions is usually very sturdy, such as aluminum alloy, louvers, which are not only tough and sturdy, but also resistant to high temperatures without cracking or rusting and can adapt to various weather conditions. This product not only provides a comfortable leisure environment, but also utilizes solar power generation to achieve the goal of green environmental protection.